He's in bad shape, Morty.
Oh, jeez, Rick, what did you do?
Gee, thanks, Morty. What kind of monster do you think I am? I'm sitting here trying to save the guy's life. I need your help. I want you to find Dr. Xenon Bloom. He'll know what's going on.
Where do I find Dr. Bloom?
In Reuben.
Reuben, Minnesota?
Reuben on the table, Morty. I don't have time for you to wrap your little walnut around everything. Just hold your breath until the process is over or your lungs will collapse.
What process?
Hey, Dad, where's Morty?
Morty, can you hear me? Head north.
Rick, where am I?
Welcome, Morty. Welcome to Anatomy Park. It's a little business venture I've been cooking up on the side with Dr. Bloom. Science isn't cheap, Morty. This should really help put a dent in the overhead.
Oh my god! This is insane! Spleen Mountain? Bladder Falls?
I'm picking up a distress signal in the liver, Morty. Proceed to the liver.